Have you ever heard of the color Ming Green on a porcelain tub? Well, you're about to see it now.
Watch Refinish Pro Pat Golinsky restore kitchens, bathrooms, muscle cars, guitars, and everything in between right here, right now on Resurface Specialist.
Well, here you go, Ming Green. This is definitely a 60s tub, cast iron. That is a $600 tub to buy today. But the color is not working for this new homeowner. He's got his brand new beautiful tile, and he's got his vertical subway tile in this beautiful blue border and a gray wall theme. So that doesn't work. We're gonna make it white, go along with this toilet and the tile, make it look beautiful. That's what I do in about 4 hours. So if you guys are suffering with a Ming Green tub and you don't like it anymore, have us refinish it. Now this bathroom looks complete. The new vanity, top, fixtures, toilet, floor, tile, and tub. It all matches like it's supposed to. I do like Ming Green, but if it didn't work in this bathroom, it might not work in yours. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing. Let's keep this thing going.